Hello and welcome to our free familiarization session for the InterlinkIQ Management System software. Let's now navigate the Supplier Module. The Supplier Module helps manage supply chain compliance. It allows you to maintain up to date records of all approved suppliers and track supplier audits. The module presents the supplier details such as vendor code, vendor name, category, materials or services, specification file, address, country, contact details, including the name and contact info, compliance percentage, and their status. Suppliers can also be categorized as local, foreign, contract service provider, or contract manufacturers. The Send section displays all the requirements that have been sent by your supplier. The Receive section displays all the requirements that have been received by your supplier. The Category section displays the list of materials based on their category. The Requirement section displays the list of suppliers, their category, and compliance percentage. You can also view here the requirements and also generate a report. Under the template section, you have the option to upload templates that your suppliers can utilize. And in the Analytics tab, it provides a comprehensive view of the summary and trends in supplier management through graphs. To add a new supplier, click on the Action button and select Add New Supplier, and the pop-up form will appear. Or, if you want to view the details of a specific supplier, click the View button. For the supplier details section, first enter the name of your supplier. Identify their vendor code, their category, and industry by choosing from the drop down list. Enter the supplier's address, including the country, building number, city, state, and zip code. Also provide their contact details, including their email address. In this section, there is a Send Invite button. Once you click this, the Interlink IQ system will automatically send an invite to them to register to the system. Then, add their phone number and fax number and their website. Next, indicate their status if it's pending, approved, not approved, emergency use only, do not use, active, or inactive. Then add the status date. You can also indicate if the supplier is an organic supplier and the risk level based on your supplier assessment, whether low, medium, or high. If the receive notification feature is activated, suppliers will be promptly informed about any requested documents through their portal. The frequency of these notifications can be customized based on preferences, choosing from once per day down to every 20 days. You can also add the regulatory license number. Just click on the Add button, then fill out the details including the regulatory number, supporting file, and validity date. Then click Add Regulatory. Click Save to finalize the changes. Next is the Contacts Management section. This is where you can add the supplier contact details. To add a supplier contact, just click on the Add New Contact button. Fill out the needed information like the contact name, position title, address, email, and others. Once done, just click on the Add Contact. You may add multiple contacts by repeating the same process. Then click Save to finalize the addition of contacts. The next section is the Requirements Management section. In this section, you can select the minimum requirements of your supplier by ticking a check mark from the list of requirements as shown here. Take note that these requirements are customizable based on your requirements. The chosen requirements will automatically show below. If the requirement is not on the list, Specify the requirement under the Other section. You can also upload the required documents in the system. For example, just click on the Upload button, select either Manual Upload from YouTube URL, Google URL, or SharePoint URL. Then you may enter or choose the reviewer and approver. You may also add your comments and document validity period. You can also view the templates if there's any available file for your ease of conversion. Once you are done uploading the required documents, click the Save button. The system also has a feature to calculate the compliance percentage of the requirements. Once the document is uploaded and verified compliant and valid, just input the reviewer information, review date, approver information, and approval date. Then, the compliance percentage will reflect here. The overall compliance will reflect here at the bottom, and this will help you monitor the compliance per supplier based on their submitted requirements. The system also has an indicator for the validity of documents. If it is red, it means it is expired. If it is yellow, it is near expiration. And if it is black, it is valid and good. Next is the materials management section, where basically what you purchase from your supplier will be recorded here. To add a material, click the Add New Material button. Enter the material name followed by the brand name, category, SKU, unit of measurement, order count, and the price per unit. You can add a description of use, comments or notes, and allergen from the drop-down list. You can enter other allergens if not within the list of allergens. You can upload the material specification and file documents and enter documentation dates. If you want to enter additional documents, just click Add a new file, and once done, click Add Material. You may enter multiple materials by repeating the same process. Then click Save to finalize the addition of materials. The last section is the Audit and Review section. In this section, you can upload the most recent third party audit, followed by the audit certificate and the audit corrective action. Also, enter the document validity, your comments or notes, and audit score. For the annual review, indicate the name of the person who conducted the annual review, including the duration of review. Then click Save button. Also, you can print the list of suppliers or you can download it in PDF, CSV, or Excel file. Again, this module can be fully customized for your intended process and use.